Now start with next part, chapter 2nd, part 3rd, class 12 physics. First topic is electrical capacitance. In electrical capacitance, the measure of the ability of a conductor to store charges, means ability to conductor store charges where Q directly proportional to V or Q is equals to CV, where we can say that C is equals to Q by V. SI unit is farad and symbol is yes. Now capacitance of an isolated spherical conductor. In spherical conductor we have charge Q O and R is the radius. Let charge Q be the given to the sphere which is assumed to be concentrated at the center. Q क्या है? Concentrated at the center. Potential at any point on the surface is V is equals to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R, where C is equals to Q by V. So we get C is equals to 4 pi epsilon naught R. Now principle of capacitance, first is plate A is positive charge and B is neutral. A क्या है? Positive charge and B is neutral. When a neutral plate B is brought near A, जब न्यूट्रल प्लेट बी को ए के नियर लाएंगे, देन चार्जेस आर इंड्यूस्ड ऑन बी. बी के अंदर क्या होगा? चार्जेस इंड्यूस्ड होंगे, जिससे क्या होगा? साइड एरिया ए के पास का जो साइड एरिया होगा वो क्या है? निगेटिव हो जाएगा. एंड अदर इज पॉजिटिव द फर्दर साइड ऑफ बी इज अर्थन. द पॉजिटिव चार्जेस ऑन बी को देन अर्थन करेंगे, then gets neutralized and B left only with negative charges. So positive charges neutralized हो जाएंगे तो B के पास only क्या बचेगा? Negative charges. Now capacitor and capacitance. Any arrangement of two isolated conductors carrying equal and opposite charges can be called capacitor, where C is equals to Q by V. 1 farad equals to 1 C by volt. Capacitance is the amount of charge required to raise potential of a conductor by 1 volt. Parallel plate capacitor. In parallel plate capacitor we have two thin conducting plates, each of area A and separated by distance D. Separated by distance D, two parallel plate capacitors like positive Q and negative Q. A is positive charge and Q is negative charge, then charge Q is earthen. Now E is equals to sigma by epsilon naught, as E is equals to V by D. So we get sigma D by epsilon naught, or V is equals to QD by A epsilon naught, as sigma is equals to Q by A. So C is equals to Q by V, we get Q by QD by A epsilon naught. So C is equals to epsilon naught A by D. Now series combination of capacitors. First in series charges is same in each capacitor. In series we have three capacitors C1, C2, C3. Charges Q here, positive charges, negative charges, positive charges, negative charges, and distance between capacitor. C1 we have V1, for C2 we have V2, and for C3 we have V3. Now V is equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3, but V is equals to Q by C, then V1 is equals to Q by C1, V2 equals to Q by C2, V3 equals to Q by C3. So Q by C equals to Q by C1 plus Q by C2 plus Q by C3. Or we can say this 1 by C is equals to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. For all charges 1 by C is equals to summation I is equals to 1 to n 1 by C I. Similarly for parallel series, in parallel series potential is same. So Q is equals to Q1, Q2, Q3, but Q1 is equals to C1 V. So Q2 is equals to C2V and Q3 is equals to C3V. We have capacitor C1, C2, C3, charges Q1, Q2, Q3 for positive and negative sets. Then Q is equals to CV equals to C1V plus C2V plus C3V. So we get C is equals to C1 plus C2 plus C3, summation I equals to 1 to n C I. Energy stored in capacitor. In energy stored capacitor, during the charging of a capacitor, work has to be done to add charges. Add charges to the capacitor against a potential. This work is stored in the capacitor as electrical energy. So V is equals to Q by C. For work done, dW equals to Q by C dQ. So total work done in charges Q to the condenser is W equals to integration 0 to Q by C dQ. Therefore, W equals to Q square by 2C 0 to in Q. So therefore, W equals to Q square by 2C. So U equals to Q square by 2C equals to half CV square or half QV. Now for energy density, in energy density U is equals to U by AD. So for U equals to half CV square and AD, where C is equals to epsilon naught AD by A by D, and V is equals to AD. Putting the values, we get half epsilon naught E square.